This amazing technology is developing day by day. The self-driving are taking place in the car world. Now the rise of the machines is taking aim at truckers. This is Volvo's concept for a driverless electric truck, or semi if you prefer. Volvo says the idea is for Vera to be monitored by a cloud-based service, speeding up the worldwide business of logistics. Because a driverless truck doesn't need to take breaks or pull over in a groggy lay before sleep at the end of a working day. Volvo says it'll be especially useful in busy hubs like ports and warehouses. Being electric, maintenance should be minimal and the only delays are for recharging. This is still under development, as we need to take steps to secure safety aspects. Moreover, since the vehicles are electric, society can benefit from reduced noise, road congestion and exhaust emissions. It'll also pull a standard trailer with loads of up to 32 tons. Volvo is confident these drone trucks could be operating in confined areas where truck driving is arduous in the near future.